Hi, now we are going to learn about the journal is indexed in Scopus or not. And the first option is in every journal when you go through in the websites you can find the abstracting and indexing heading. Abstracting and indexing heading. In some journal, so this is one of the journal here, it will be in the about the journal option. When I click the about the journal, so here I am able to find the abstracting and indexing options. Some journals like elsewhere, so this is the publisher is elsewhere and the journal name is engineering structures and abstracting and indexing option is here, and here you can find this indexed in Scopus. And then in Springer, yeah, I think in Springer we have to come to the last, yeah, abstracted and indexed in Scopus. So one thing, you can find whether the journal is indexed in Scopus or not by using this way, and you should confirm within the other ways too, because some websites, even though the coverage has been discontinued from Scopus, still in their website it is not updated. So there are other ways. I think we'll come to the next. Yeah, next option is like in every journal there will be an editor in chief, like managing editors, associate editors, editorial board members, reviewers. So many will be there. So you can ask anybody, but I will suggest you contact the editor in chief. So some reputed publishers, the email ID will be provided in the editorial board member option itself. So here in editorial board, the editor in chief, you can, by clicking this email, this professor, you can contact them. So when I click this, uh, their details, and here a form is available, and you have to put your first name, last name, email ID, and confirm your email ID and message subject. Then message, lightly you have to elaborate that your title, you are interested to submit the article to the journal, and you want to know that the journal has been indexed in Scopus or not, and then click I am not a robot and finally send the message, and you will get an response from the editor in chief. So this is another option, and the next option is by using ISSN number. So ISSN number is an international standard serial number, is an 8-digit serial number used to uniquely identify the journal publication. So every journal will have an ISSN number. ISSN number will be like two in every journal, print version as well as the electronic version. Some journals they have the electronic version alone, some journals will be having the print version alone, some journals will be having the both. So in Scopus preview, when you click, there will be option sources. When you click the sources, here ISSN option will be there, publisher option will be there, title option will be there. So I think first we will go the title. So engineering structures, and I paste here. The first one is the appropriate word, and I will open that, and I have to check the publisher is elsewhere or not, and the ISSN also same 0141. You have to check that, and then click the journal homepage and check both homepage were same. And when you search by title, you will be having few more results, but when you search by ISSN, you will be getting a single results. Why? Because it's an unique number, unique identification number for every journal. So now we will search with the ISSN number which is mentioned in the website. So click ISSN and find source. So you can find present. So in this way also you can find the, so here ISSN number will be for the journals and ISBN number will be for the books. And when you open the source details, you have to check the Scopus coverage years. So from 1978 to present the coverage is there. To confirm that, here you can see Scopus content coverage. Click the Scopus content coverage. So today I am talking on talking in, like the date is 31st Jan 2021. So within a month they have published nearly 405 documents in the year 2021. So here it is mentioned, presently it is under the coverage, it is not discontinued, it is under the coverage of Scopus index, and the last month they have published. So you can send your article to this journal, and some journals here it will be mentioned as to 2019 or 2020, and it will be like till 2020 only the documents will be published. More than that it will be not published. So you have to check this also. And the next option is, see, when you click the Scopus preview, you will be getting this option, Scopus source list. So when you click this Scopus source list, you will be getting an Excel sheet, it will be downloaded, and when you open that Excel sheet, so here already I have been searched this engineering structures. So just I will copy this ISSN number from here, just copy. So earlier I was going through this, and just, so here 8-digit number will be the ISSN number, and in between this dash you have to remove and you have to search. So when I search, I am able to find this 8-digit ISSN number here. The title is engineering structures. The first will be the source ID. So if I am a publisher, I am having a journal. So when I send to Scopus for accepting my journal to be indexed in Scopus, so they will be providing a source ID, that is the number 15652, and then it is active, and it is the ISSN number, and it's ongoing. The language is in English, and these three were the site score of the last 3 years, and the article in press option is available, and this is the journal. The structural engineering review is incorporated, and the publisher is elsewhere, and 2205 is the all science journal classification code, and in physical science it is added, and in engineering discipline it will be. So all these details you can go through. Similar to that, I think if you here we will be able to find nearly, I think 40,000, yeah, 40,805 journals were there. So you may be from any discipline, you have to check with the ISSN number and the title. Not only by using ISSN number, you can check as per the title also whether that the journal is active or inactive. And this is till October 2020 is available currently. So while you are checking, you have to check whether the recent month, for example, if currently I am in Jan, so till December 2020 it is available or not. Here few details were not updated. I think the Scopus people, they will be updating soon that till October or Jan 2021. And the next option is, and you can check the Scopus discontinued source list also, but currently it is the page you requested cannot be found. This option is there. I think they will updating in future. And the next option is, see, when you have the Scopus preview and the Scopus website, at last you can find the customer service. When you click the contact us option, it will take you to this, yeah, click here, contact us. The first one will be for requesting the changes. For example, in your name, some articles may not be added to your profile, or some changes in your affiliations. Sometimes you may be a faculty, now you may be in a new college, and earlier you may be from the change of affiliations. You can do the correction, and some article the citation may be missing. So to do this, you can mail here, and to check whether the article is indexed in Scopus or not, click the email here, assess and use, and you can put all these reasons, subject, your questions, and here they have mentioned in the note, if you have a technical question, please provide screenshots and the specific address of the website you have the question about, and providing these will help us answer your question faster and more efficiently. For example, there may be a journal, so you can take a screenshot and you can upload here, so that it will be easier for them to find the ISSN number, the website details, as well as the whether they are indexed or not, and it will be helpful for them to reply to your question as faster as well as more efficiently. Your contact details you have to provide, and you can send your questions. When you send these questions, I think you will be receiving a mail. Earlier it was an a live chat options were there. It was quite easier, and currently they provided only email as well as the phone contact. So these are all the ways you can check whether the journal is indexed in Scopus or not. Thank you.